Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the speed mushroom in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how we can use the speed mushroom, I'm going to show you where you can purchase it. You can go to the gears shop right here and you can purchase the speed mushroom for 1.5k shekels if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can purchase it from here. This one I've already purchased the speed mushroom, so let's just use it. Okay, you can go to your inventory and then you're going to hold the speed mushroom and you can click anywhere. Okay, and it will give you an effect. You can use this speed mushroom to temporarily boost your character's movement speed. You will get +5 extra speed. Yeah, just like this. And you can monitor the duration of this effect right here. Okay, I'm going to try to run, and yeah, it can boost your movement speed. Okay guys, and that's all about the speed mushroom and Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.